Have you ever wondered what makes a celebration truly memorable? Is it the festivities, the colors, or the joyous laughter that fills the air? Perhaps it's something more, something deeper that touches the heart. In a quaint village in India, there lived a spirited young girl named Maya. Known for her radiant spirit and generous heart, Maya eagerly awaited the festival of Holi each year. It was a time of joy, a time of color, and a time of togetherness. However, one year, as the festival was on the horizon, Maya noticed something. There was Devi, an elderly woman, living alone in a humble hut on the village outskirts. Frail and often struggling, Devi seemed destined to spend Holi alone, devoid of the vibrant celebration that filled the village. But Maya was not one to stand by. She decided to bring a change, to bring joy to Devi's life. She rallied her friends, she rallied her neighbors, and together they set the stage for a special celebration. They transformed Devi's humble abode into a lively spectacle of color and joy. When Devi saw the scene unfolding before her eyes, her heart filled with overwhelming gratitude. There were Maya and the villagers, welcoming her with open arms, their faces alight with color, their hearts alight with warmth. As they danced, as they sang, as they celebrated together, a realization dawned on Maya. The essence of Holi was not just in the colors or the festivities, it was in the unity, in the love, in the compassion it fostered. It was about reaching out, about spreading happiness, about making a difference. And so a new tradition was born. Each year, Devi became a part of their Holi celebrations. They laughed together, they loved together, they celebrated together, forming a bond that transcended generations. And that, my friends, is the heart of the story. Festivals like Holi are not just about the merriment and the revelry. They're about reaching out, about spreading joy, about cultivating compassion. They're about making every celebration not just a moment of fun, but a memory of love, of unity, of inclusivity. Because after all, isn't that what truly makes a celebration unforgettable?